Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have something special and new today. I got my very first Rocksbox. I can't even say it. It is kind of like a jewelry subscription service. However, it's a little bit different how they do it. And I wanted to give it a try. How it works is that you pay $21 a month. However, you can get as many boxes as you want in the month. It's more like, to me, a rental service. You can keep this as long as you want. They're going to charge you $21 a month. If you don't want to keep it, you just send it all back and they send you another box. So if you like stuff, keep it, wear it for a while. If you don't, send it back. But you can purchase anything in the box. They're all individually priced. This is my first one, and I'm really excited to see what they sent me. I had to fill out a wish list. So there's like 30 items in my wish list. So I thought that was a little funny that I kind of picked out everything ahead of time, but then at least it's stuff that I know that I'll like. Then I kind of had to prioritize some that I really like over other things. It didn't mean I was going to get those, and I'm not sure if I did. Those were things that I would really like to get. So we'll see what I got. Jewelry is really hard for me. I don't know about other moms out there, but jewelry feels like a splurge. And I just can't spend money on it. And so I'm hoping that this is going to be a good solution for me. At first I thought I would never purchase anything. However, I did find out that your $21 goes to whatever you purchase. So although the things I think are a little bit spendy, at least what I've seen from other videos, your $21 goes to your purchased item. So that makes it a better price. You can only use that once a month. So if you send your box in 3 times, you only have $21 to use. So it depends how much you want to purchase. I really just want to try out some new jewelry. Okay, let's open it up and see what I got. Comes in a cute little box. And the first thing I see is, hi lovely. Okay, so, oh, it sent me some cute stuff. Okay, we'll see. Whew, that's a lot for jewelry. Jewelry care information. Welcome to the Rocksbox family. It gives you all the instructions on how it all works. And then it's in this cute little box of the paper. Okay, every piece is individual in little bags. You get 3 pieces and a return sticker. You use the same bag that it was sent in. Okay, let's open this one first. These are some earrings. I don't really remember prioritizing these. I mean, they're still adorable, but oh hello, let them out. These are blue opal square studs, and they're pretty cute. They are $34 if I wanted to purchase them. Here goes little square opals. That is lovely. We'll have to see if I decide to purchase that. The price is pretty reasonable, I think, for some little earrings. I forgot to mention that I'll put my referral code in the comments below. So if you want to try Rocksbox, it would be free if you use my referral code. So for 1 month free, hey, you might as well try it. Okay, the next bag is just labeled Rocksbox. Okay, this is, let's see if I can turn it around. Okay, I don't know what kind of stone that is. I'll look in just a second. But it is these little star dangly. It looks, let's see what it is. It is a wine neck in gold and labradorite. That's the kind of stone. It's $55, but there are these little stars, and I really like stars. And it's gold, and I've been wearing more. I used to be only silver, but now I've been wearing more gold. I'm giving it a try, and I think it kind of looks better with my skin than the silver. And so one thing I'm kind of nervous about is for necklaces, they tend to be too short. Now this one I don't think will be, but I tend to need a longer chain on things, and I don't think I have a particularly thick neck, but geez, maybe I should be insecure about it. Okay, see, that's really cute. $55. Maybe with the discount it'd be reasonable. I think $55 is a bit much for this necklace, but I'm gonna wear it around, see if I like it, see if it goes with a lot of my stuff. Okay, the last bag is, oh, these are fun when I want to be a little fancy. These are really great earrings, and these are hoops and gold and champagne druzy, I don't know how you pronounce it. $55. They are really cute too. Let me put some on. They're little fancy pants for me. Hello, fancy pants. More than anything, I just feel like I need to up my game a little. I look too much like Fancy Nancy's mom. I need to look a little nicer, I think, sometimes. And see, look at how pretty those are. I like those. Okay, well, this is my first run at it. If you like the video, hit like. Please comment. I love to hear what you guys think about this stuff, or what you think of Rocksbox if you've done it before, like if it works out really how you thought it would. If you enjoy it, if you like this stuff, subscribe, like, all that stuff. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.